Uto, Uganda. Yes. Ayan, kamusta po ang lahat ng mga kababayan natin, left and right, front and back, 360 degrees support to the Yigas. Ayan. Syempre, na-miss ko kayo. Na-miss nyo ba kami? Ayun, rinig namin kayo all the way from wherever you are hanggang dito sa Uganda, kontinente ng Africa. Alright, Auntie is there. Auntie, you know what to do?
Yeah, you know.
Hi. Can you greet us in Luganda?
Auntie, say hi.
Auntie, greet us in Luganda. Okay, you wear it. Oli Otia, you wear it just a short greeting. Okay. Alright, we will put translation later guys on the top so that makaintindi tayo ng sinabi nila. Ngayong araw na to guys, tayo ay gagawa ng ating 100,000 subscribers celebration! Woo! Clap! Clap! Nasa ng mga clap? Ayun! May confetti pa. Oh, clap! Ayun, thank you guys! So, ang ating selebrasyon ngayon ay very special. Samahan nyo kami, buong pamilya ng The Yigas, as makikipagsaya tayo sa isang napakagandang at napaka-espesyal na lugar dito sa Uganda. Saan tayo pupunta guys? Ayan, ngayon, nandito tayo sa sasakyan. Kompleto na yung ating sasakyan. Ready to go na. Nakapack na tayo ng mga anek-anek natin.
Mommy?
Siyempre, to share our love and happiness to where we are going today. Pero, unang-una, ang gagawin natin ay susunduin muna natin si Kuya Nasri, Kuya Kahil at Muhammad Ali doon sa kanilang eskwelahan para naman makapag-take part sila sa ating celebration. Even Kalbi Yiga. What are you going to tell them?
To go and pick your brother and play in the playground.
Oh, and play with new friends, right? Tapos natin silang sunduin sa eskwelahan. Ayun, at dediretso na tayo sa ating final destination for today. At syempre, marami pa kayong makikita sa araw na to. Saan nga ba tayo pupunta? At ano nga ba ang magaganap doon sa lugar na yun, guys? Samahan nyo kami. And of course, if you wanna see more of this very special episode, stay with us and keep on watching. Kabi say, keep on watching.
Keep on watching.
And you cover the screen. Nandito tayo dito sa paaralan ng mga bata. Pinasundo ko na kay Auntie Christine yung mga bujinggit. Si Kuya Nasri, si Kuya Kahil at si Muhammad Ali. Para makapagpunta na tayo sa ating special destination at sa ating special activity sa araw na to. No energy, guys. That's your okay. That's Uncle Wood. He will.
There's a question, right? They draw body parts of the digestive system, which that part was really functions,
Yung Uto, Uganda. Hey, zombie. Chico, let me see. Say mama. Hi.
Yes. Kahi, what are you going to purchase?
What? I beg your pardon?
What are you going to buy?
We are going to buy a full bag of soap.
For this. Hello. Oh, she's here.
Mommy?
Let Nasri guide us.
snacks from the shop and salt. 2 packs, which is 30 in total, which is 60 all to go.
Hi guys, we're gonna play the children at the orphanage.
Have something for them?
Yes.
All right. Are you excited?
Yes, Mom.
All right. Say, I'm excited.
I'm excited.
Again. Nagpapasok na tayo. Sinusundan lang natin yung GPS na sinend sa atin ng head of school. So, sana hindi tayo mawala guys dahil first time natin dito sa lugar na to. Nakikita ko sa GPS, we are like 9 minutes away from the main highway. So, tara at pumasok. Let's go! Welcome once again. Nandito na tayo sa ating special destination. Like I said, today is going to be a very special activity for us and for everyone who is here with us today. Ayan, sobrang excited namin guys, pati ng mga bata. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami at mag-enjoy tayo sa araw na to. Kasama ang pamilya ng isang orphanage school. Ayan, dito sa Uganda. Yeah. Let's greet them. Come on. Let's go. Assalamu alaikum. Ready? Ready? We'll greet them. Alaikum. How are you? Are you ready for us? Yes. Are you ready to have fun? Yes. Are you ready to eat with us? Yes. We are ready to eat with you. Yes.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Are you happy? Yes. Very happy? Yes. Show me your hands up. Yes. Okay. Are you happy for our visitors? Yes. Are you happy for these visitors of ours? Yes. They have a very good message for us. A very good? Yes. Very good message for us. They are going to talk to us. They are going to share with us. They brought for us very many gifts. Very many gifts. All these gifts are ours and many more are still coming. Are you ready? Yes! Alright.
Where are we?
Here.
Where?
Here at the school.
At the school, eh? Do you know the name of the school?
Yes.
What's the name?
Okay, pag-welcome pa lang guys, nakaiyak na si Auntie Christine. Auntie Christine was touched because kids were really very welcoming. They were very happy to see us. So medyo napaluha kami ni Auntie Christine. Kasi alam niyo yun guys, very happy at ang saya, ang bongga ng kanilang pag-welcome sa amin. So now, you can see we are here together with the kids of the school. This is an orphanage school. So most of them stays here in the school because yun nga, wala silang mga magulang. So napakasaya at napaka-special na mag-celebrate ng araw na to kasama sila. Ayan. So, can you guys say hello in the camera? Say hi! Hi! Oh, diba? How do you say hello in Luganda? Oli Otia, no?
Yes.
Can you say Oli Otia for us? Yay! Good job, guys. So, I-prepare lang natin lahat at tuloy ang ating araw ngayon.
Our visitors, they are very good friends of mine. We have lived together for some good time now, and we are connected by Islam, right? And they are also your friends, right? Yes. Is that okay? Yes. So I told you they are gonna come here and visit us. So they are here today. They are here to talk to us. They are here to show us love. They are here to share with us. They are here to enjoy their day with us.
Yes.
So feel free. You love them. Talk to them. They are very good people.
Waalaikumsalam. Hi, Teacher Shakira. Thank you.
Can you clap for Teacher Shakira?
Hi. We are fine, thank you.
My name is Teklaya. I'm teaching top class and P1.
Oh, thank
Ah, that's
you.
super cool.
That's why the kids are giving English. Okay, I am Princess. Can you say my name? Princess. Princess. Yes. How do you say princess in Luganda? Omomeja. But I don't have a crown. So I am here with my kids, like you. We are here to enjoy this day with you. Is that okay? Yes. Oh, thank you so much. Are we welcome? Yes. Are you going to be happy with us? Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. So we have here Kalbi. Kalbi.
That is who?
Kalbi. Say hi.
That's who?
Kalbi. Then we have there Kuya Nasri. Kuya Nasri, say hi everyone.
Hi, that's Nasri.
Then we have Kahil.
Kahil.
Kahil is not feeling well, but he is here happy to be with us. Say hi. Hi. Hello, children. Hello, children. Thank you. Thank you. All right, Kuya Kahil is not feeling well. He's sick. And we have Kuya Ali. Ali, stand up. Hey.
Ali, say hi.
Hi. And then we have Adil, Chico. Hey.
I say Adil. Hi, Adil. That's Adil.
Then we have Auntie Christine. Auntie Christine.
Hello.
Can we say hi to Auntie? Hi. Auntie helped us cook a very nice something for you, for everyone. Then we have Uncle Yuweri. Uncle Yuweri. Hi. Are you shy? Okay, guys. Thank you so much for welcoming us. Alive. Is that true? Yes. The number one reason why we celebrate is because we are alive. Allah gave us another day to be happy and alive, to wake up, isn't it? Yes. Yes. Another reason why we are here to celebrate is we are celebrating our friends. Is it true? Yes. Can you give your friend a high five? High five.
High five.
High five.
High five. High five.
High five. High five. Celebrate with you. Number 3, we want to celebrate something really special, being that we have reached a certain milestone as our family, and we are very happy, but we don't want to celebrate alone. It's very sad, isn't it? Yes. We want to celebrate in big what? Big people.
Big
numbers.
Is it okay?
Isn't it fun? Yes.
It's
Isn't it fun?
Yes.
I don't want to sit in my home and blow a cake on my own. Very sad. I blow like this and then nothing. No one will sing for us. No one will dance with us. But now, because we are many, are we going to sing?
Yes.
Are we going to dance?
Yes.
Goodness,
Are you ready to sing and dance for us?
Yes.
Okay.
We are happy to see you.
Okay.
My name is Vanessa Nachin. My school is Priska Ionic School.
English class.
My class is Big Primary 2.
Okay.
Live at Kabubu.
Okay. Thank you. Clap for Vanessa. Hi.
How are you? Yeah, fine. I'm interested of knowing all your names.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
The wizard.
I'm ready to eat. Are we eating together? Yes. Okay, let's say Bismillah. Bismillah. Yay! Open your food and let's eat.
Open your food very well. Be careful.
Oh, diba guys? Sobrang organized nila. Sobrang saya nila at sobrang organized. Kita nyo, hindi magugulo ang mga bata dito sa Uganda. Tahimik lang sila habang ine-enjoy nila yung kanilang pagkain at sobrang saya nila. Na-surprise si Auntie at ang mukha niya ay nasa cake. Aha! Yes. Where is Auntie? You see? See? Auntie, you take a picture. You carry it and take a picture.
Why are you waiting?
Wow.
I'm excited when I go away. Wow.
Wow. This
I
is...
see you. Mama.
You see, he's complaining about something.
Bano you will go away.
Whoa. Where's mommy? Where's auntie? Well, are we gonna eat cake? Yeah. Are we gonna share cake? Yeah. Don't touch, don't touch. We will eat together, okay? YouTube. Say YouTube. YouTube. Yay. Say thank you. Look here. Look here. Daddy has a bag. Bobby has a bag. Where's Chico Chico? Where? Point to mommy. He's happy. Huh?
Say happy! Circle!
You can make even another. It's okay.
It's DJ Rama Music Exclusive. DJ Rama.
Let me see. Wow. Let me see. Wow. Show me.
Are we happy?
Let me see. Wow.
There's a gift.
Where's your toy? Let me see. Aspina. Dinosaur. Wow. Wow. Let me see. You like it? Yes? Let me see. Wow. You like it? Aha, nice. What did you get? Wow! A motorbike. And yours? A dinosaur. And yours? A spinner. Right? Show me what you got. Very cool.
Then we shall cut the cake. Then we shall do what? Are you ready? Yes! Let's count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whatever you've done for us today is a very big blessing to us, and we ask the Almighty to reward you abundantly, reward you with all the blessings. We are grateful as a school. The population is quite bigger than this, so this is the number that we have for today. This is our place of residence. This is where we stay all the time, day in, day out. We're always here. Anytime you feel, check on us anytime. Check on us, feel free to check on us anytime. You want to get time, check on us. ولا ميتا إلا رحمتا ولا يسرا إلا يسرتا ولا حاجة من حائج الدنيا والآخرة إلا قضيتها برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم إنا نسألك يا الله إيمانا مستقيما. It's a good place.
Oh, yes.
It's a big hill up.
It's a big hill up there.
When you stand on the hill, you can see the whole country. The
Yes.
whole country.
Activity or experience was very nice. Getting in touch with other kids in the orphanage. Nice to see them happy and loving us when we arrived and caring, and thank you.
Drink soda, we got kids snacks. And this is the toy I got.
Nice. So did you have fun with the rest of the kids?
Yes, Mom.
The experience was excellent, and I made new friends. We ate together, we laughed together, we danced together, and I hope everybody who was in the orphanage enjoyed too.
All right. Thank you, Kahil. I know you're not feeling well, but you tried your best, okay?
Yes.
Thank you. Good job. Guys, at natapos din ang ating masayang araw. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagsama nyo sa amin ngayong araw. Sobrang nakakatuwa at fulfilling. Ayun, yung feeling na hindi ito naging ordinaryong araw para sa amin at para sa mga bata dun sa orphanage school. So, maraming salamat din pala, ayan, sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa akin, sa aming YouTube channel. Dahil sa inyo, nakakagawa tayo ng mga bagay na to na nakakapagpasaya sa ibang tao, lalong-lalo na ng mga tao dito sa Uganda. Hindi lang sa mga bata, kundi pati na rin talaga sa mga nangangailangan. Special mention ko lang, hindi na lang po ako magme-mention ng names, Pero I would like to thank you all those people na sumuporta. Nung nalaman nila na kami ay pupunta ng isang orphanage school, nagpadala din sila ng tulong at saka iniabot natin ito sa kanilang headmaster in a form of food stock. Kasi yun talaga yung pinakamalaking challenge ng isang orphanage school, yung kanilang stocks ng pagkain. Kasi nga, di ba, kahit saan naman sa mundo, ang orphanage ay mas nagiging stable dahil sa lahat ng mga blessings na naishishare ng ibang tao. Ayan. So, maraming salamat po ulit. Sobra silang natuwa. Alam niyo na kung sino kayo. Lahat ng mga nag-share ng kanilang blessings. Syempre, pati na rin sa mga hindi nasiskip ng ads. Malaki pong party yan sa ating pagtulong dito sa bansang Uganda. Makati yung ilong ko, guys. Alright. Anyway, maraming salamat ulit. Ang dami kong pagod. Pero okay lang kasi gagawa pa kami ng homework ng mga bata. Again, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe. At kung nagustuhan niyo itong video na to, i-like niyo na at i-press niyo din yung bell button para lagi kayong updated. Bye! Much love from the...